Aramithi hwaĩ-inĩ President William Ruto atongoretie atongoria angĩ a honge itiganĩte cia thirikari kũrugũria ibuku rĩretwo For the Record rĩrĩa rĩandĩkĩtwo nĩ Minister wa ũrangĩri Duale rĩkĩmũrĩka maũndũ ma ũteti wa bũrũri na ateti kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka makĩria ma 20.
I call the book For the Record because I worked in a house of records and I wanted to put everything on the record. It has been in the works for about 3 years. It was conceived during one of my lowest moments, the day I was abruptly fired as the leader of majority party in the National Assembly in June of 2020. At that time, I was upset at the betrayal, angry at the backstabbing.
From the 2005 referendum to the enactment of the 2010 Constitution, from the debacle that was the ICC cases to the 2013 elections, the creation and the rise of Jubilee, then the fall of and destruction of Jubilee, and the eventual victory of the Hustler Nation. This book tells the story of the biggest political events of Kenya's recent history in great detail, flavored with the unreserved frankness of Duale.
Ni ibuku rĩrĩa rĩrarĩrĩria na njĩra ndikĩru ũrĩa ũteti wa Kenya ũkoragwo ũiyũirwo nĩ ũkunyanĩri na gũkunganĩria wara, ateti magĩetha ũtongoria magakunyanĩra kinyagia arata ao kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ũteti.
Hopefully, with a dose of what Duale has said, we can make our politics much more subtle. We can eliminate deceit, betrayal, and conmanship from our politics and make our politics much more decent, much more people-centered.
What the Honorable Duale has done is a very big step in our attempts to bring to an end the politics of deceit, conmanship, and betrayal.
Wihokeku ũteti-inĩ, President augĩte nĩguo gũteithia bũrũri gũkorwo na ateti na ciama cia ũteti cirĩ na mĩthingi mĩrũmu.
And we can build on solid political parties and political formations that are anchored around a philosophy about our country, about where we want to take our country.
President agĩtũgĩria ũrata wake na Duale ũrĩa ũkoretwo kwa ihinda rĩratimĩra mĩaka 20, ũrata ũrĩa ateti morĩtio mahĩmbĩrie ona rĩrĩa amwe ao maritũhĩrwo nĩ maũndũ kana rĩrĩa marĩ hatĩka-inĩ.
Duale has just led Kenyans into the most poorly guarded secret of Kenya's politics: backstabbing, betrayal, arrogance, greed.
You have proved to us that the world has no place for betrayers.
That level of commitment and level of loyalty is one that I found quite unmatched.
It's no wonder he has stuck with the president all these years, even when he was going through some very difficult moments. He's very loyal.
But even in the hardest moment, there is no day Duale betrayed President Uhuru Kenyatta. Not a single day. Not a single agenda of government that he sabotaged because he believed that the president was not supporting his deputy.
But of importance is the way he behaved even after that. He took his back seat, was still contributing in the flow of the house, but he stood his ground.
It takes a lot of courage to say the things you have said, but also to have gone through those things and you come out in one piece.
Honorable Duale speaks his mind.
He has taught me a few political tricks during our 10 years period together in parliament.
Ibuku rĩrĩ rĩkĩrugũrio, Akenya nĩ morĩtio mahĩmbĩrie mũtugo wa gũthomaga na kwandĩkaga mabuku tondũ mabuku-inĩ nĩho ũũgĩ ũrĩ na nĩho mũndũ angĩtarĩria maũndũ ma mũtũrĩre wake akĩandĩka marĩa mangĩcoka kũguna athomi.
That there are many people who ask themselves, where do you get the time to read? But I know that you have a lot of time on your hands. You read a lot of books every day. It's only unfortunate that those books are in the form of WhatsApp messages, TikTok videos, and all the time that you spend on your phone. At least take time to split between that time and reading a book so that you add on to your wisdom and the things that you need to know.
And of course, we are waiting for Rigiji to write the book about the truth. I think yours, we call it the truth. Maybe the whole truth or something.
You know, it's a gradual thing to get Kenyans to get used to the truth. And it will be interesting. And Kenyans need to know the truth.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.